Hello students, now we will discuss test cross and back cross. ये क्या होते हैं? Test cross is conducted simply to know the genotype of a unknown plant which is showing dominant character. क्योंकि डोमिनेंट फिनोटाइप शो करने के लिए वेदर इन होमोजाइगस कंडीशन और हेटेरोजाइगस कंडीशन वी ऑब्टेन अ dominant phenotype. For example, capital T, capital T, small t. कोई भी plant, in both the cases, the plant will be tall. But how can we identify whether a tall plant is due to homozygous or heterozygous condition? So, to identify the genotype of a unknown plant which is showing a dominant trait phenotype, we perform the test cross. Test cross. Why the test cross is performed? To identify, to find out genotype of unknown organism or plant showing dominant phenotype, phenotypic character. कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म और डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर को एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है तो इसका देन इट्स जीनोटाइप आइदर में बी हेट्रोजाइगस डोमिनेंट और होमोजाइगस डोमिनेंट. तो एक्चुअली वो प्लांट हेट्रोजाइगस है या होमोजाइगस है उसको हम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ये टेस्ट क्रॉस. देन हाउ दिस टेस्ट इज कंडक्टेड? देन द प्लांट इज the given plant is crossed. जो भी प्लांट है उसको हम क्रॉस करेंगे. द रेसेसिव प्लांट, होमोजाइगस रेसेसिव प्लांट इज क्रॉस्ड विथ द रेसेसिव कैरेक्टर. recessive plant या कैरेक्टर. सपोज टॉल प्लांट है तो हम ड्वार्फ से या रेसेसिव जीनोटाइप से हम उसको प्लांट्स आर इन शोइंग रेसेसिव जीनोटाइप्स. जैसे लेट अस सपोज देयर इज अ टॉल प्लांट. Then this tall may be due to capital T or capital T. So this tall may be due to capital T or capital T, small t. In both the cases, the plant will be tall. To identify the genotype of this plant, we cross it with a plant type showing recessive character और recessive plant से इसको हम क्रॉस करेंगे. In this case, what will happen? All the plants will be, it is a simply Mendelian cross with F1 generation. क्योंकि प्योर लाइन दोनों है तो all the plants will be heterozygous tall. But in second case, what will be the genotype of various plants? This T with this T, capital T, small t, small t. So in second case, two plants will be tall and two will be dwarf. So the plants which gives all the tall are homozygous dominant, and the plant after crossing with the recessive plant gives 50% tall and 50% dwarf character, then it is homozygous recessive plant. So the genotype of first plant will be homozygous dominant, and genotype of the second plant is heterozygous dominant. Heterozygous So this is a simple cross to identify the genotype of unknown plant. किसी भी plant का genotype homozygous है या heterozygous, उसको हम identify करने के लिए test cross. So this is our test cross. Now, now the second cross is a back cross. Back cross is conducted mainly to improve the breed or variety of a, not variety but the dominant character, to improve the dominant gene in a given population of plant. किसी भी population में एक डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर को इंप्रूव करने के लिए दिस क्रॉस इज कंडक्टेड. इट इज कंडक्ट टू improve the dominant gene in an organism. डोमिनेंट जीन या एलील किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म में कैसे बूस्टअप होगा, कैसे इंप्रूव होगा. सो फॉर दिस a given plant, either heterozygous or homozygous, is continuously crossed with a dominant heterozygous dominant plant. So to conduct back cross, we use any given plant is continuously crossed with a dominant genotype. So it is is conducted by continuous crossing of a given plant. किसी भी प्लांट में अगर रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर है उसको इंप्रूव कर आई मीन with plant having homozygous dominant character. Homozygous dominant character. इसको मेंडल के मोनोएलिक क्रॉस से भी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. सपोज द प्लांट वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट इन मेंडेलियन क्रॉसेस dwarf is a recessive character and how we can improve this character. अगर हम कोई ड्वार्फ प्लांट है तो उससे हम कैसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा टॉल प्लांट्स ऑब्टेन कर सकें, ज्यादा से ज्यादा सीड्स हम वैसे बना सकें जो कि represents its dominant character. Then the plant is continuously crossed with a homozygous dominant plant. Suppose this is a recessive character, small t. Then for back cross we choose a dominant variety, and in the F1 generation, after fertilization in F1 generation, we will get all the plants which are tall. F1 generation. In F2 generation, again after selfing, we are not using selfing. So in the next generation, we will not use selfing but cross this plant capital T small t again with a dominant plant. So what will happen here also? The plant will be capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t. So all the plants will again tall. Again we will cross, use the dominant. So after 4 to 5 generations, we will get majority of plants having dominant character. And this recessive variety has been converted into a dominant character variety. So this is also used for breed improvement in certain cattle. Breed improvement में we continuously cross a recessive variety, like in India for the improvement of milch cattle, for the cow and buffalo, they are continuously crossed with the improved varieties of imported bulls. So then they are crossed with many generations, and then finally the improved variety can be obtained, or dominant character can be propagated by this method of backcross. So backcross is also very important phenomenon. So test cross and backcross are two important phenomena which Mendel used during his experiments. So this is about. So this is actually backcross. Backcross. In backcross there is no selfing, but in every generation a dominant variety is used, or dominant character is always used for crossing of the plants or individuals of a generation. इस केस में अगर हम फिर डोमिनेट करते हैं, these plants 50% तो बिल्कुल होमोजाइगस डोमिनेंट होंगे, फिर इनमें से भी 50% क्या होंगे, तो इस केस में only 25% will be heterozygous or recessive gene, or finally this recessive will be eliminated. Only very small amount of, only 2 individuals will be showing recessive character, and majority will be showing both homozygous dominant characters. So this is the method of breed improvement or variety improvement in plants. Thank you.